Welcome to Wahliewlong village, a place most people have never even heard about. Not because it's far away, but because no one really talks about it. Located in the Mawthadraishan block of West Khasi Hills district, this destination is waiting for someone to come and see its beauty. From Shillong, it's around 70 kilometers and about 2.5 hours on the road. The journey itself is calm, and when you reach here, you will be amazed and awestruck by its beauty. This place is not crowded. There are no signboards, no noise of shops or traffic, just the sound of the wind, cows and goats grazing, school children walking and laughing in the distance. People don't talk much about this place, and it's not in the tourist map. This place is made for peace. Standing here surrounded by nothing but the vast greenery, the meadow stretches out as far as your eyes can see. A single road runs right through it, like it was drawn perfectly to match the landscape. When you walk here, you realize how massive it is. The air feels fresh, the silence feels alive. It almost feels like the whole place is breathing with you. Wahliewlong Meadow is one of Meghalaya's secret gems. If you want to see nature in its purest form, come here, spend a little time and let the green heal you. This is the kind of place that doesn't ask for attention, but once you've seen it, you will never forget it. See you soon in the next journey, and thanks for watching.